question. How do you decide if the keto diet is not working for someone, and what do you recommend in this case?
There are many people, the keto diet is not easy. And people have these pre-expectations. So the statistics are that 75% of people, and this is the main reason people do keto, is for weight loss. 75% of people will easily lose weight without thinking about it, and they're eating massive amount of foods, and they're not hungry, and they're like, oh my God, 75% of people have this type of experience. And so, you know, if your friend Sally had that experience, and then you did keto, and that wasn't your experience, you're like, it doesn't work. So first is really getting scientific about it, rather than just say, or it's not working. You know, well, what's not working? And so I do, in my metabolic flexibility book, I do have a log that I keep, and I have people take that log so I can see what's actually going on. I have them actually test their beta hydroxybutyrate, which is in blood. Urine testing is not an accurate way to go. Breath testing is a little hard for people to be consistent with. So I see some mechanical errors more with that, and it's testing acetate, which is a good surrogate for beta hydroxybutyrate. But the beta hydroxybutyrate is what we get in the blood. That's what really the brain is feeding on. It's our main. It's the ketone we want to make. So I want to know, are they making it? Because that, you know, unless we test, we just don't know what's happening. And then what are they doing? It's like, staying up till 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, probably not going to make ketones. It's probably not going to work. So really getting people to understand that, yes, you do have to eat a ketogenic diet to make ketones. Absolutely. Won't work otherwise. But that's not the end of it. So there's exercise, there's stress, there's, you know, just the quality of sleep is huge. If somebody's got a lot of adrenal issues, it's a great treatment for adrenal insufficiency. But it's harder for those people to keto adapt. You know, are they really able to exercise? Are they willing to do that? Because what makes ketones? Fasting, exercise, and parasympathetic. If you're in sympathetic overdrive, your cortisol is going, you're going to go right into gluconeogenesis. So you have to work all those systems in order for a person to metabolically be in a place where they will actually make the ketones. And then they have to burn the ketones. Then we have to have the mitochondria not so gunked up that we can get there. So that's where I really, you know, before they do keto and they go, they're all gung-ho, it's like 28 days seasonal cleanse on a vegan diet. Can we start there? I mean, in a perfect world, that's what I would do, because people are a lot more successful. We take some of the weight off the liver, we take some inflammation down, we get them off sugar. So we're doing all of that in a very gentle, nourishing way, and then we're moving it into keto. And I still have people who struggle, absolutely, with actually being able to get into the ketogenic zone. So we're, you know, I learn new tricks each year that I work with people, and some people it's very, very, very difficult. And sometimes that's really obvious looking at their logs, like actually getting them to track it, and sometimes it's not.